Hello and Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your social studies teacher, Ms. Sayyida Rakshanda Zahra. Students, as you know that we have finished our geography section and the last chapter we learned was natural disasters, in which we learned about different natural disasters like earthquake, floods, volcanoes and tsunami. Students, today we will start off with a new chapter, history chapter. We are starting off our history section and the first chapter name is the Ottoman Empire. Okay, this was really a huge Muslim empire in the history. Okay, and we also called this empire Sultanate Usmania. So let's learn about it. Let's learn about its origin. Okay, or the beginning. After Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's death in 632 AD, Muslim faith and power spread throughout Middle East. As you can see here on this map, this shows you the Arab Muslim Empire. See, at the time of the death of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the area was this much, okay, under the control of the Muslims. Then we spread to this pinkish portion, okay, that is the area under the first four caliphs. Then it spread more, okay, and under the Umayyad Caliph, it spread more, and you can see here the Byzantine Empire also. Okay, by 1215, foreign invaders, yes, called Mongols. They were Mongols from Eastern Asia. They took over the lands of the Muslim Empire. Islam's power in the Middle East started to decline. As you can see here, see how much area did they cover? This was the whole Mongol Empire. Yeah, Mongol took over a huge area. A new empire arose out of the leftovers of the old sultanates or the kingdoms of Anatolia, Turkey. In 1299 AD, one of these sultans, Uthman, began to expand his kingdom. Usman started the Ottoman Empire and it is named after him. It was one of the largest and the long-lasting empires in history. It was an empire supported and inspired by Islam, and it replaced the Byzantine Empire, that was a foreign Roman Empire, as the major power in the Eastern Mediterranean. What was the religion? Religion of Ottoman Empire was definitely Islam. It was founded on the principles of Islam and united by Islamic beliefs. Churches were converted into mosques. Tolerant of other religions, especially Christians and Jews, encourage loyalty from other religious faith groups. If you talk about converting the churches into mosques, so recently you have seen on the TV screens that a mosque, ठीक है, that was known as Hagia Sophia, ठीक है. It was, although it was a church before, but it was converted by the Muslims, ठीक है. During this empire, it was converted, that church was converted into mosque. See, it's a mosque in Istanbul. Okay, students, what are Janissaries? Janissaries are a group of soldiers that were loyal to the Sultan or the king. Army of slaves and Christian converts to Islam, actually. They were Christians that were converted to Islam and they helped to expand the empire. Became so powerful that sultans feared them. Yes, although they were formed to help the sultan, to be loyal to the sultan, but at the end they became so much powerful that even sultans were feared. In 1352 AD, sultans able to cross over into Europe. Then in 1453 AD, Ottoman soldiers known as Janissaries conquered Constantinople, Istanbul from the Byzantine Empire, thus ending the Roman Empire. And in 1517 AD, Ottomans had control of Egypt and extended control to most of the North African coast. Okay, then peak of power during rule of Suleiman the Magnificent. He was one of the ruler of the Ottoman Empire, and he was known as the Magnificent. You can see here on the map, students, that the different time periods during Ottoman empires and different rulers that came to rule this empire. Okay, you can see with different colors here. Okay, like if you see this green color, okay, this is actually during the Mehmet II, then Salim I, and Suleiman the Magnificent. This was the map of the whole Ottoman Empire. You can see that how much extent it was, spreaded. Okay, that's it, student. There is a worksheet. Okay, that has also been uploaded on your KP wall. So I want you all to please read the worksheet and solve that worksheet in your copies. Okay. So till then, inshallah, we will learn more about the Ottoman Empire, students. Till then, Allah Hafiz.